Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says solve the differential equation this. So, we have given this differential equation. So, what we will do, we will apply first filter, that is variable separable method. Then we will apply first filter of variable separable method, that is dy by dx equals to linear function. You have to keep on repeating this idea. Right now, if you will repeat, in future you will get habituated to this thing, and then you can extract the maximum out of you. Okay, so please make a habit of doing this. So suppose that you cannot apply a linear different like variable separable idea, you cannot apply the idea for linear differential equation, you cannot apply the idea for homogeneous differential equation. So what we have to do, we have to apply the idea for exact differential equation. So how does it work? So look at this, can I expand this? So we have y dx plus xy dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Now look at this. Earlier we got differentiation of uv, है ना, first function, differentiation of second function, but here we are getting second function minus like it is minus of second function, differentiation of first function. So we get the minus idea when we are handling u by v, correct or wrong? So what I am trying to do, I will send everything that side. So can I write xy dx, then we will be having x dy minus x dy minus y dx. अब देखो, if you are trying to apply u by v, you should have something square on the base. Okay, so what is that something square that you have to understand? So can I say that, sir, you kept first function as it is, differentiation of it is numerator na, means y is a numerator. Okay, so you cannot, like for this question the numerator is y. So if numerator is y, denominator would be x, and if denominator is x, so you have to write denominator ka square. If you will write this, then look at this, you cannot solve this question because this person is having y, it should get rid of any component of y, so this idea is failing, means we cannot divide by x square. But suppose that we have taken minus common, so this thing will become minus, this thing will become plus. Wait, I'll show you again. So suppose minus is common, so can I write y dx minus x dy? Now let's divide by y square. We have, acha, this is y, I missed a point, this thing is y square, this thing is y square. Okay, so here also we will have y square. Now please, so keep denominator as it is, differentiate numerator, minus keep numerator as it is, differentiate denominator, and then denominator ka square. So can I write this thing as, sir, we did differentiation of x by y? Just tell me. This y square gone, so we are left with x dx is equal to minus of differentiation this. Now we will do integration both sides, so this thing will become x square by 2 equals to minus differentiation of this is x. So who is x? This is x, so x by y plus integration constant c. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.